The Cabinet has approved an emergency budget of 781.88 million baht to support flood-affected families. Each eligible household will receive 9,000 baht in compensation based on the Interior Ministry's proposal. Ms. Traisuli Traisaranakul, the Interior Ministry spokesperson, stated that the aid targets 86,900 households still awaiting payment from past relief efforts that ended on March 19th. The assistance covers damages from floods between May 20th and December 31st last year in 17 provinces. Recipients must not have previously received support under the 2024 Rainy Season Relief Program. The goal is to complete payments within 15 days.